few moments later.
We buy a shrimp. It's 380 per kilo. It's a big shrimp. We buy butter, onions, and garlic for our butter shrimp. So this is the shrimp. Half kilo of shrimp and half is in the house of Father Jan Jan, and Mama is cleaning or devoning it. Devon? It's not it's I forget what's that. Basa. This one.
What am I class yung mga bro? Bro?
Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. It's a big shrimp. Big shrimp. Wow. So fresh.
Butter, guys.
It's a, what I call this recipe. It's a shrimp. Butter shrimp.
Butter in the shrimp.
Butter in the shrimp.
Shrimp in the butter. That's the same.
Garlic butter shrimp.
Magwit.
This is half kilo, guys.
This is the chip cook, guys.
Kilo of the in the house of Papa Jan Jan.
Garlic.
This one.
Garlic.
The more the garlic, the more it's delicious. I like if there's a lot of garlic.
This is my first time, guys, that Flo is using the, what's that? Using butter.
Yes, because
It's first time, guys. We live in how many years? I think 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Then now Flo is using the
if you're cooking a shrimp,
this the sana?
if you're cooking a shrimp, it's delicious if you're not the oil. It's not oil. It's delicious if it's butter, because butter is more. Next is
It's the onion.
getting brown.
It's too hot.
Let's add this one.
The shrimp.
Mama, Sprite, no?
Sprite dito ko sa drinks. Sprite din sa drinks. Sit aside, guys. Bali-balihon.
Nasa niya, maliwanag. Nagabgab eh.
Later, guys, we'll put a Sprite. Get away your hands. Sprite, guys.
Saan naging?
Dali, ana. Ito, man.
This one.
oyster, guys.
Mamaziras oyster sauce. Baka naman.
Don't mind the background, guys. A lot of dishes. We'll wash that after the cook. Put it all, guys, the oyster. It depends on the taste of the cook. Make it all brown.
Add this one.
Add a Sprite.
It's just a little bit. That's the leftover.
Look at the face of Lo, guys. I don't know why she's smiling always.
Because you're my happy pill.
No?
Let's add a little bit of soya. Not a little bit.
A little bit lang. Hindi pa brown. Kunin gamay. At magic syrup. Guys, that's why you cook Lo. She's put all the magic syrup when she cook. As always, guys. For 7 years, I don't say Flo that she leave a small magic syrup when she cook. Always she's put a lot. All.
This is the shrimp. Charang. Let's taste it. Wow. It's delicious. Let's eat. Ah! It's delicious or not?
Good, guys, because always the shrimp is good.
Yes. Maybe soon we can have that. Ah, charot!
Maybe soon if you have
Ada.
it's like a I don't know. Never mind. Sorry. Ay. Ano niya? Iwas sa sana?
Ay, nakapagod. This is it. Pancit. Mmm. So yummy. Mmm. Every people 1 pieces of shrimp. Let's eat, everyone. Here's Gab Gab eating the shrimp. Tatay.
Kaon sa kaon.
Ha? Si hi. Gabriel. Si hi, Gab. What are you eating, Gab? It's not fish, it's shrimp. I buy a half ng 1 kilo of shrimp, guys. Then half in the house and half in here because the shrimp is expensive.
What the mama?
Pamitik.
Balik bro, panitan sana.
Beto panitan. Beto panitan. Ay, magnagam ka! Mag-picture tayo, mag-picture tayo. Dali, dali.
Ada sa tayo, unong tayo.
Ano, mag-picture ka mo? Dali, dali, sakay mo ko tayo. Panaukan ako.
Boy na tay.
Ayaw, tayo.
Boy na, boy.